Next up is a really simple, easy to go trail mix. If you missed it earlier, I also have another classic trail mix that's got like the M&Ms and the raisins and everything. This trail mix is just a salty cravers trail mix. I've got about a cup or a cup and a half of pretzels, 2 cups of rice checks, rice checks, 2 cups of corn checks, and then 2 cups of the most amazing little almond flour cheddar crackers. So if you haven't picked up on it, I'm gluten-free, so I tend to try to buy stuff that's gluten-free so I can eat it. And these little guys, y'all, they are so good. Like, highly recommend them. Okay, and then we've got some peanuts we're gonna add in, roasted and salted. Shelled pistachios, about a cup, roasted and salted. Mix all that together. Look at that. That is my jam right there. Especially with the pistachios, I'm a huge fan. So love this mix, nice and salty. So if you tend to be more of a salt lover instead of a sweet lover, this one's for you. Love this one.